just got from Wessex Blades a new toy. So Patrons, this is the sort of stuff that really helps out. So with this now set up and the transit bolt took out so that the motor spindle goes onto the drive thing, so when you buy one of these there's a really weird bolt you got to fiddle with. I've just done a halter force that was always blunt, and it was really quick, so quick enough to do on a video. So this one here kind of cuts, all right. Never really gone into halter force, but with it set up the way it is, 17 degrees, what I did was I went on the internet, got a piece of paper, found my 17-degree angle, so that when I put the blade in jig, there's two things. You do that one first, then that one. So you put it in, get it kind of parallel, do up that one, then you do up this one, and that makes it tight. And then I get a 17-degree piece of paper, and it goes right where the blade tip hits the wheel. It's pretty close. I've got a Tormek clone thing coming later, because the one that comes with Sheppach is a bit, yeah, not interested. So stone is quite wet now, so I'll just let it get re-wet. Have a little flower pot just to keep it, whatever. There's a good thing of allowing it to drain completely. But when the water comes out, you don't want it all being wet at one end, and then you turn it on and it all ends up weighted. So don't leave it too long. Anyway, so with the knife jig of the Tormek onto here at around about 17 degrees, sort of cutting, here we go. Let's go. So you can hear me. So a kind of a quick dress, 3 minutes. Obviously you want to do it in a batch, because water in the stone takes a while. That is better. Sort of a toothy edge, very good. Now with stones, you can sort of put it on and dress this thing to two sides of a stone apparently, but this is just literally for the final thing before I go to a final buff on an angle for 17 degrees per side. So yeah, and then the other one just now and they've been in the drawer a while. So yeah, very nice. And then of course you want to dispose of the stuff. If you have a magnet in the water tank, you can collect the iron as well, so you can get rid of that rather than down the sink. Yes, and then dispose of it properly. It's got whistle plates out. Thanks to everybody for watching. Should see this in a few more vids to come. But yeah, good fun. Thanks everybody's support. See you on the next one.